Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the English Learning Channel, where learning English is calm, easy, and fun. We are really happy to have you here with us. I'm Mia.
Hello, Mia, and hello to everyone listening today. I'm Daniel. It's really nice to be here with you again.
It really is, Daniel. Wherever you're listening from today, we're happy you're spending this time with us.
Yes, whether you're at home, on the bus, walking, or just relaxing, thank you for being here.
Daniel, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good, calm, and comfortable. Today feels like a nice day to talk and learn together. How about you, Mia?
I feel the same, relaxed, focused, and ready for a gentle conversation.
That's perfect, because today's topic is something we all use every day.
Yes, absolutely. Today we're going to talk about technology.
Technology. That's a big word, but a very common part of daily life.
Exactly. And don't worry, we're going to keep everything simple.
Very simple. No difficult language, no stress.
Before we begin, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel.
And feel free to share this episode with friends or family who are also learning English.
We really appreciate your support. It helps us continue making calm, clear English content for you.
All right, Daniel, let's begin.
What is technology in a very simple explanation?
Mia, let's start with a very basic question. What is technology? That's a great place to start. Technology is anything we use to make life easier.
Anything that helps us do things faster, better, or more comfortably.
For example, phones, computers, the internet.
Yes, even simple things like a washing machine or a microwave or technology.
That's right. Technology doesn't have to be new or complicated.
It just needs to help us in some way.
So, when we talk about technology in daily English, we usually talk about things we use every day.
Like smartphones,
Apps,
the internet,
social media.
and devices we use at work or school.
Daniel, can you imagine a normal day without technology?
It would be very difficult.
I agree. Most of us use technology from the moment we wake up.
Yes, many people check their phone first thing in the morning.
They look at the time,
Check messages,
read the news.
or listen to music.
Technology is already part of the day before breakfast.
Exactly.
And that's why learning how to talk about technology in English is so useful.
Because these conversations happen all the time.
At work,
At school,
with friends,
even with strangers.
simple daily English sentences about technology.
Let's start practicing with very simple sentences.
Good idea. You can say, I use my phone every day.
Or, I use the internet for work.
You can also say, I like using technology.
Or, I don't like using too much technology.
Both are very natural sentences.
Yes, you don't need long explanations.
Daniel, how do you feel about technology?
I think technology is very helpful, but sometimes it can be tiring.
That's very honest.
I like that technology helps me work and learn.
But too much screen time can make me feel tired.
Exactly.
For me, technology makes life easier, especially for communication.
Yes, we can talk to people far away,
We can learn new things.
and even learn languages like English.
That's true.
If you're listening right now, think about this simple question. How do you use technology every day?
You don't need a long answer. Even one sentence is enough.
For example, I use my phone to talk to my family.
Or, I use a computer for my job. In the next part, we'll talk more about technology in daily life.
Things like phones, apps, and the internet.
We'll use very simple English.
and real-life examples.
So take a deep breath
Relax.
and let's continue together. All right, Daniel, let's continue talking about technology in our daily lives.
Yes, this is where technology becomes very real for everyone listening.
Exactly, because almost everyone uses technology every single day.
Even people who say, "I'm not good with technology," still use it.
That's true. Let's start with the most common device.
The smartphone.
Most people have a smartphone.
And most people use it many times a day.
Some people even feel lost without it.
Yes, very true.
So let's practice some very simple sentences about smartphones.
For example, I use my phone every day.
Or, my phone helps me stay connected.
You can also say, I check my phone in the morning.
That's a very common sentence.
Yes, many people check messages, time, or news when they wake up.
Daniel, how often do you use your phone?
Honestly, quite often. I use it for messages, calls, and checking information.
Do you ever feel like you use it too much?
Sometimes, yes, especially when I'm tired.
That's very relatable. Now let's talk about apps.
Apps are a big part of technology today.
An app is a small program on your phone or computer.
We use apps for many things.
Messaging apps,
Music apps,
maps,
banking apps,
and learning apps.
like English learning apps.
Yes, exactly.
Let's practice some easy sentences.
I use apps to learn English.
I use a music app to relax.
I use a map app when I travel.
Very simple and very natural.
Daniel, do you have a favorite app?
I like apps that help me stay organized.
That's useful.
They make life feel calmer.
I like that you said calmer.
Now let's talk about the internet.
The internet connects people all over the world.
Without the internet, our lives would be very different.
Yes, we use the internet for work, learning, and entertainment.
Let's practice some simple sentences again.
I use the internet every day.
I search for information online.
I watch videos on the internet.
I talk to my family online.
These are sentences you can use anytime.
One of the biggest changes technology brought is communication.
Yes, we can send messages instantly.
We can make video calls,
We can share photos and videos.
even with people far away.
Daniel, do you remember how people communicated before smartphones?
Yes, phone calls, letters, and meeting in person.
Things were slower.
But sometimes slower felt calmer.
That's an interesting thought. Small emotional reflection. Technology makes life faster.
Sometimes that's good.
Sometimes it can feel overwhelming.
And that's okay.
It's okay to like technology.
And it's okay to take breaks from it.
Both feelings are normal.
Now it's time for a small practice for everyone listening.
Think about this question.
What technology do you use the most?
Try to answer with one simple sentence.
For example, I use my phone the most.
Or, I use my computer for work.
Say it out loud if you can.
Your voice matters. Now let's talk about how technology can help us work and learn. For many people, technology is a big part of their job.
Even simple jobs use technology now.
Emails, computers, online systems.
Let's start with something very common.
Emails are one of the most common ways people communicate at work.
Yes, many people send and receive emails every day.
Let's practice some simple sentences.
I check my email in the morning.
I send emails for work.
I reply to emails during the day.
Very simple and very useful.
Daniel, how do you feel about emails?
Sometimes they feel never-ending.
Yes, sometimes you open one email and suddenly there are 10 more.
That's very true.
But emails also help us stay organized.
And they help us communicate clearly.
Now, let's talk about online meetings.
Online meetings became very common in recent years.
People use video calls to talk to coworkers or classmates.
Let's practice some easy sentences again.
I have an online meeting today.
I join meetings from home.
I use my computer for video calls.
All very natural sentences.
Mia, do you like online meetings?
I like that they save time,
Yes, no travel.
but sometimes I miss meeting people in person.
I feel the same.
Technology also allows many people to work from home.
This was not very common in the past.
Now it's normal for many jobs.
Let's practice some sentences.
I work from home.
I use my laptop for work.
I talk to my team online.
Very clear.
Daniel, what do you think about working from home?
I think it's comfortable.
Yes, working in comfortable clothes is nice.
Very nice.
But it can also feel lonely sometimes.
That's true. Balance is important.
Technology and learning.
Now, let's talk about learning.
Technology changed how we learn.
People can study online,
Watch videos,
listen to podcasts.
just like this one.
Yes, exactly.
Let's practice some learning sentences.
I learn English online.
I watch videos to study.
I listen to English podcasts.
These sentences are perfect for daily use.
Emotional reflection on learning.
Technology gives people more chances to learn,
Even if they don't have much time.
even if they live far away.
That's very powerful.
Learning feels more open now.
And more personal.
You can learn at your own speed.
Slowly and calmly.
Let's pause for another small practice.
Think about this question.
How do you use technology for work or learning?
Try to answer with one sentence.
For example, I use a computer for my job.
Or, I study English online.
Say it quietly or out loud.
Both are okay.
Now we're going to look at technology then and now. This is a topic many people enjoy because it brings memories.
And sometimes a little nostalgia.
Daniel, let's think about life before smartphones.
Life felt slower
Yes, people didn't check their phones all the time.
because they didn't have them.
Exactly.
If you wanted to talk to someone, you called them at home.
Or you met them in person.
If you wanted information, you used books.
Or asked someone.
Things took more time.
Let's practice some comparison sentences.
In the past, people wrote letters.
Now people send messages.
In the past, people used maps.
Now people use navigation apps.
In the past, photos were printed.
Now photos are digital.
Very simple, very clear.
Daniel, do you miss anything about life before modern technology?
Yes, I miss having fewer distractions.
That's a good point.
People focused more on the moment.
I feel that too.
But I also appreciate modern technology.
It gives us comfort and connection.
Today, technology is everywhere.
Phones, watches, smart devices,
People use technology at home, work, and school.
even for relaxation,
Watching movies,
listening to music.
playing games.
Balanced view.
Technology has good and difficult sides.
Yes, it helps us, but it can also distract us.
That's why balance is important.
Using technology, but not too much.
Taking breaks.
Spending time offline. Now it's time for another small practice.
Think about this question.
Was life better before or now?
There is no right answer.
You can say, in the past, life was slower.
Or today, life is more convenient.
Both are correct.
Now we'll talk about how technology makes us feel.
Because technology is not just tools and devices.
It also affects our emotions.
Let's start with positive feelings,
Technology can make us feel connected.
especially when we talk to people we love.
Video calls, messages, voice notes.
They help us feel close, even when we are far away.
Technology can also make us feel confident.
Yes, when we learn something new.
Or when we solve a problem.
Daniel, when does technology make you feel good?
When it helps me learn or finish work easily.
That's a great feeling.
But technology can also make us feel tired.
Or stressed.
Too many messages.
Too many notifications.
Sometimes it feels like we are always online.
Yes, and that can be exhausting.
I think many people feel this way.
You are not alone. Let's practice some simple sentences.
Technology helps me feel connected.
Too much screen time makes me tired.
I feel relaxed when I turn my phone off.
Very natural sentences.
Now let's talk about habits.
A habit is something we do regularly.
Technology habits are very common.
For example, checking your phone often.
Or using your phone before bed.
Daniel, do you have any technology habits?
Yes, I check my phone before sleeping.
Many people do.
But I'm trying to change that habit.
Balance is very important.
Using technology, but also resting.
Being online, but also enjoying real life.
Small changes can help.
For example, putting your phone away during meals.
Or taking short breaks from screens.
These small habits can improve how we feel.
Now let's pause and reflect.
Ask yourself this question.
How does technology make me feel?
You can answer with one word.
Happy,
Tired.
connected.
Calm.
All answers are okay.
Well, Daniel, this has been such a calm and thoughtful conversation.
It really has. Talking about technology like this feels very natural.
Yes, we talked about something we all use, but in a slow and simple way.
And that's exactly how learning English should feel.
Let's take a moment to review what we talked about today.
First, we talked about what technology is.
We said technology is anything that helps make life easier.
Then we talked about technology in daily life.
Phones, apps, and the internet.
We practiced simple sentences like, I use my phone every day.
After that, we talked about technology at work and learning.
Emails, online meetings, and studying online.
Then we compared technology in the past and now.
How life was slower before and how life is faster today.
And finally, we talked about feelings,
How technology can make us feel connected.
but also tired or stressed sometimes.
And we talked about finding balance.
If you're listening right now, remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You only need clear and simple English.
Short sentences are powerful.
And your voice matters,
Every time you listen, think, or speak in English, you improve,
even when it feels slow.
especially when it feels slow.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
We'd love for you to answer in the comments.
Here is the question.
How do you feel about technology in your daily life?
You can answer with one sentence.
For example, technology helps me stay connected.
Or, I try to use technology less at night.
There is no right or wrong answer.
We just want to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed learning with us today,
Please like this episode and subscribe to the channel.
it helps us continue making calm English conversations for you.
And don't forget to share this episode with anyone learning English.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
We're really glad you're here.
Take care of yourself.
Take breaks when you need them.
And keep practicing your English slowly and confidently.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.